Give up? No. 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 Oh. Look. No. I'll be right back after these messages. I'll be right back. I told Spud the Scarecrow to wait a minute and stop it. You did? Yes, I did. You, that's right, Alan. That's right, Alan. That's right, Alan. That's right, Alan. But no, I don't want to see anyone part with Thomas Hudson interactions anymore because it's wrong. Because it's wrong. That's wrong. That's the wrong line. That's the wrong line. It's not Cinders. It's not Cinders and Ashes. It's not Cinders and Ashes. It's films. It's not Cinders and Ashes. It's films. It's not Cinders and Ashes. It's films. He said, give up? Big Bird. Big Bird. It's your last day at bodybuilder. It's your last... Remember, it's your last day at bodybuilder. It's your last day at bodybuilder. You graduate from all the releases on VHS bodybuilder. From Kevin Pixit to Candy Quick Pack to our 20 movie collection. 20 episode collection. I know. No. No more bodybuilder for you. 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 Why not? Because you're graduated from that show. Because you graduated from that show. Because you graduated from that show. Show. Instead, I'll be right back after these messages. No water, just tether. 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 I'll be right back after these messages. I know.
What?
I know.
Hey, tell me this now.
I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know.
Hey, I know.
I know. I know. It's okay, babe. It's okay, babe. No. One.
Sounds like a nice... Hey, I know. Why didn't you have your meeting here today?
Why don't you come here? I know what you mean, Big Bird. Hey. No. Junior broke the plate. Not Laura. Not Laura. Laura.
Alright, now I have a problem.
Junior broke the plate. Junior broke the plate. Junior broke the plate. Not Laura. Not Laura. Not Laura. I know.
She's over in the garden.
Bye. Oh, excuse me.
Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.
Down.
Let's go out and get. You're a better time thanks than Woody.
Down.
Very good, Woody. That's using the old noodle.
I don't think Andy's gone up. What? No, it's not anymore.
Boss.
I got a staff meeting, you guys. Come on, let's go. Woody!
Firstly, I want to have my ice cream.
Woody?
Oh, what? What?
It's bogey flavor.
Tuesday night's coronavirus awareness meeting was, I think, a big success, and we want to thank Mr. Spell for putting that on for us. Thank you, Mr. Spell.
You're welcome.
Oh, yes.
Hey, did you?
Place.
Bye-bye.
I know.
Just one minor note here.
Down. Can you? Bad kitty. Here you go. Wait a minute. Please. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.